Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to get this really soft, easy, pink kind of summer look. So if you're interested in how I got it, keep watching. So the first thing we're going to do is go in with the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Light 6W. And I'm also going to use their concealer in the shade Light 45W. And I'm applying the concealer under my eyes mostly, and then my eyelids because I do have pretty veiny eyelids. So I'm just using the concealer to basically add extra coverage somewhere that the tinted moisturizer didn't provide, like coverage, because it's so sheer. Now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Brown. I'm using this to just lightly fill in my eyebrows. We're just kind of sticking to a more natural look. I'm just kind of filling in the tails of my brows since they are a little sheer. And then I'm going to go in with the shades or blush stick in the shade More is More by Colourpop. I really love these. I'm showing you a few ways of how I just kind of played around putting it on. So one option was rubbing some on the back of my hand and then applying it with the sponge. Another is just going directly onto the sponge, and then another is just using your finger. You definitely get more pigment that way, and then you can use the sponge to kind of help soften it out. And then on the other side of my face, I'm showing you just going ahead and just directly applying it by just dotting it on in the area you want it, and then you could use your fingers or a sponge to blend out. But I really love the way these work and how creamy and just pretty that they are. Can you tell I love these? Now, the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to just apply that same blush onto my eyelids because I'm just kind of going for a more cohesive look. And this will act also as like a base for the color. And then I'm going in with the Sweet Talk palette and using the shade Catch Me and dusting this into my crease just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. And then I'm taking the shade Dreammaker on a blending brush, and I'm not packing it on. I'm more so dusting this eyeshadow across my eyelid to kind of set that cream blush, obviously, but also to give it a bit more of a softer, more diffuse look, as you can see right here. Now I'm going to go in with the iconic London Illuminator Drops in the shade Original. I really love these, but a little goes a long way. If I can give you any tip, it's when it comes to cream highlighters or liquid highlighters, use the tiniest bit. You don't need a lot. So as you can see, I'm applying it with my sponge, but you can use your finger. There's a lot of ways to do it. Some people use brushes, but I just wanted to try it out with a sponge this time, and I feel like it did a pretty good job in kind of meshing really well by using a little bit, and then whatever's left on the sponge I use to dab on my nose. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade 01. I love this. This is great for fair skin or lighter skin. And I'm just using this to kind of warm up my face. I don't like to necessarily put it too much over my blush, but I do dust it on the blush and on my forehead. Then using the Maybelline Glass Setting Spray, I'm going to spray this on my face to get a dewy look. And then I'm using the LA Girl liner in Blushing, and I'm applying this onto my lips, of course, but I'm going to fill my entire lip with it. So I'm working on the outline first, and then I'm going to take my finger and kind of blend it out a little bit. And then I'm going to take some lip gloss in the shade She's Expensive by Patrick Ta and apply this on top of my lips. But you can leave it matte if you want. I just wanted a little bit of a glossy look because I like a glowy, glossy look. And then just go ahead and apply a thin coat of mascara or however much you want, any falsies or whatever you want to do. And this is the final look. Sorry I'm looking down so much. I didn't expect the camera angle to be that off anyway. But here's an up close video of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.